If you have a problem connecting your FP30 or any Roland keyboard Bluetooth to your MacBook, this is the quick fix. I will show you how to step by step pair it again to your MacBook. Step 1, you need to turn this off first. Turn the Bluetooth off by pressing the function and the last B flat key. Turn it off. And then turn it on again by pressing the last key A. Now it's turned on, and let's go to the MacBook. Still no response. It's not connecting, so what we will do is we will connect it. First, go to Utilities and Audio MIDI Setup. You click that one. After it, you see the Fp30 is connected already, but no response. So we need to refresh it. So after we refresh, try to no response. So what we will do is go to the board again, click function, and press the MIDI. Turn to Bluetooth MIDI. This one, E. Function and E. And also send MIDI track 1 to 16. This one here and this one. So let's try if it works. Okay, it works already now. The contact is responding now. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel,